just sitting here and waiting underneath the mistletoe, just anticipating. I ain't got no place to go. I don't want to miss the chance to taste a kiss from your sweet lips, and so I'll simply wait. Other boys who come a-flirting, acting like they're Romeo, end up leaving hurting. I won't even say hello, but if you'd come courting, soon we'd be cavorting. Wish you'd hurry up, it's getting late. I suppose I could probably walk over and strike up a conversation, but gee, that leaves an awful amount to fate. And I wanna be totally certain this'll lead to a fraternization, so I'm counting on this mistletoe to facilitate. Well, I've been glancing in your direction from underneath the mistletoe, offering my affection here where all the lights are low. All I want for Christmas is a kiss for this miss. Gosh, it's awfully rude to make me wait. Can't you hurry up? It's getting late.